what is this collective loss of beauty, aesthetics, art, what is it doing to us really? It's doing something so negative to us that we are not even noticing. It is depressing us. Udas hona. Gumrah hona. So it's basically unconsciously or subconsciously, it's making us depressed because what do you hum when you want to hum a tune to sort of enjoy a moment or bathe in nostalgia? What do you hum? You can't hum anything because you will not remember anything, because nothing is worth remembering. This is what it's doing to us. If you believe that there should be a revolution on this front, ask for it. Just ask for it. I would say we collectively need a big renaissance of sorts to bring beauty, aesthetics and art back into our lives, back into culture, and even things that pass off as art. Even those are so realistic that they are more for shock value than for enjoyment or soothing of the soul. No. They are there for shock value. The art will shock you into admitting the extreme depressive nature of today's reality. It's not adding any value to your life, because I think our collective state of mind has become so nihilistic that we have accepted it. We have just come to accept it, that what's the point even? So, do you want to live with this feeling? Kya farak padega? What's the point? Ki hobe kore? Do you want to live with this feeling, or do you want to live a very enriching life full of art, beauty, aesthetics, conversations, good things, soulful things, meaning, purpose? You tell me. I'm telling you, we need a revolution on this front. We need a renaissance on this front. Okay, that's it. That's it for today.